Hi, I'm Beck Doyle with FineDine. Whether you're sending a child to college, buying a wedding gift, or seeking to upgrade your kitchen, this stainless steel 10-piece utensil set from FineDine has everything you need. The set includes a skimmer spoon, a basting spoon, a spaghetti server, a ladle, a slotted spatula, a normal spatula, a potato masher, a whisk, and tongs. Each utensil is made of high quality and food-safe stainless steel that will not crack and resist dents and chips that attract bacteria. This steel won't absorb stains or flavors, and every piece but the tongs features a hole in the handle for easy hanging. Instead of searching around in a cluttered drawer, neatly store all the utensils in their metal caddy on your countertop. Cleanup is a cinch. Simply hand wash the utensils or toss them in the dishwasher for easy cleaning. If you're looking for a high-quality kitchen utensil set that meets the needs of any amateur or professional cooking enthusiast, you just found it.
You can find a link to this product in the video description below.
Today I will introduce these Monday organic wooden cooking utensils. They're 100% handmade by natural teak wood, an ideal wooden kitchen utensil set that features all the essential cooking tools, including salad fork, strainer spoon, wooden wok spatula, teak wood spatula, soap ladle. I really like this set. This set meets all I need. They feel really nice in the hand. The wood grain is beautifully natural. They are great to handle. They would be nice hang on the wall of your kitchen too. Nice and smooth finish. Each one is different in grain as they are unique, and you won't find one that looks like the other. Designed not to scratch your cookware, a useful, sensible set which performs nicely. Also makes a great gift for kitchen foodie.
You can find a link to this product in the video description below.
Now I will show you how to care the wooden utensils. First, hand wash wooden utensils with warm soapy water. Second, dry wooden spoons with a towel. Then, when dry, oil the wooden utensils. 1. Pour a small amount of oil directly onto the surface. 2. Use a clean lint-free rag to wipe the oil off the entire surface. Allow the oil to soak into the wood for 15 or 20 minutes. 3. Use a sand clean rag to buff the surface of wood and remove any excess oil. 4. Ta-ta! You are done!